everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob IG. Super quick, Hertz bankruptcy update. Stock still going down. Seems to have lost the retail investor, hopefully, because they shouldn't be in this, as we've talked about multiple times. Just wanted to point out again why we use the levels. So we had the $1.14 coming down there and slightly rotating back up. If you are trading this, key resistance now a $1.50, and then on a bigger rally, the breakdown area and close to the top of the rotation zone is a $1.82. So there's very little upside right now potential, and the next lower target is 57 cents. So we'll just check in on this periodically, watch it drift down, because this equity will most likely get completely wiped out. So hope everybody's not trading it, but putting out the levels in case you are. That's what we have for you on Hertz. Bye for now.